The new AirPods Pro second generation, while it's still among the top true wireless earbuds on the market, delivers some big upgrades in terms of both functionality and audio performance, with Apple clearly setting its sights on offering some of the best audio experiences on the market. You might think that the new AirPods Pro 2 seem very similar to the original AirPods Pro, but there is a lot going on here that means these true wireless headphones are going to be a big draw for so many people. Whether it's the new and massively improved noise cancellation, the extra speakers in the case so it's much harder to lose them, or the improved transparency mode to chat to your pals, there are many reasons to upgrade from the previous AirPods Pro 2019 there. That said, although they share the same official price as the previous AirPods Pro, in practice the older model has dropped in price a lot and will keep dropping while remaining stock is sold off. So if you're buying today, you will need to pay more for the fancier new features, so it's going to be a choice whether you really need them. If you are looking to pick up the new AirPods Pro, you will be looking at paying $249. AirPods Pro 2 pre-orders are open now ahead of their release on September 23. This is the exact same official price as the previous model, except in UK where it's a €10 increase. However, as mentioned, the older model is always discounted these days at retailers other than Apple. So while both are available, the new version costs more effectively in the current climate. Keeping the official price the same is actually a more aggressive move from Apple than it looks, because almost all other new flagship earbuds have increased their price. They are high priced, no question, but a lot of other big players are coming in higher. The design changes to the AirPods Pro 2 are surprisingly subtle, given how much improvement there's been in the overall performance of these headphones. Rumors in the build-up suggested that these true wireless earbuds might actually ditch the stems and go for a straight lozenge style in their ear, but their stocks remain and are very much part of the operation of Apple's latest headphones. On the headphones themselves, apart from the slight alteration to the microphones and other small black covers, the AirPods Pro 2 look identical to the predecessors. If you are going to buy this to show off that you have got the latest Apple gear, you will be rather deflated by the result. However, while the case has the same footprint as the predecessors, there are a number of key changes in there too. Firstly, at the base of the AirPods Pro 2 case are 4 small dots, one to the right and 3 to the left of the lightning charge port, which will surely be one of the last times Apple used this connector. These are an acoustic vent and a speaker, so if you lose your AirPods Pro 2, you can activate a Find My Device request from your phone to find them. It's pretty loud in testing, and given we have lost a case like this in the past for nearly a week thanks to not being able to hear it in the house, this is a useful move. The storage case, which is also now IPX4 water resistant, meaning it can withstand light showers and sweating, also has a small lanyard clip on the side, so you can fit through a holder and dangle the AirPods Pro 2 off a bag and or a strap. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Review Arena to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities reviewed.